Go.
We have almost finished our meal. These are beans, giant beans, gigantes in Greek. Is again a traditional Greek food. And we will serve it with some cheese, feta cheese. Now you can see there are no liquids. We have this in the oven about 3 hours. And we put now some more olive oil and fresh oregano, of course. We have in our garden, you can see the aroma is wonderful. And we put it back to cook for more 20 minutes. And then our food will be ready. Bon appetit.
Presto. I'd like to also mention that this is a wood-fired stove that Father's using. He's been heating this for many hours and using the wood on the stove. Doxa toteo.